So we've now coupled the batteries to the charge controller, which is connected to the display. We've not connected the solar panels as yet, but that's all ready to be done. And that's just the display running round, showing the this is the condition of battery 1 or battery bank 1. So it's charging at a rate of 14.3 volts. We're not getting anything out of the solar as now, and its actual battery state was 12.6. So where we're going to take the power cables down into the boat is through here. We've got a gland, that's an aerial cable that goes in there just for the TV, and that will come in behind this box. So we've got all that to take out. And the speakers and other bits and bobs, and that's what was behind the black panel. So we've dropped both positive and negative cables down the back there, and just measured to go into the electrical panel, and we're going to be in there. That's too far back, it's outside of the panel, so put 2 holes in there, and then we can just drop these cables straight in, and they will join up with the ones to the charge controller. So that wasn't easy. That was supposed to be the easy bit. We've now got the cabling down and into the electrical panel and connected through to the charge controller. We're not connected up at this end. All of this is just now waiting. I've got to take some cupboards out up here to get this cabling out through the front of the boat, and then we can actually fit the solar panels. We've prepared the back of the panels now, just put the brackets on both panels, so they're ready to go out. Mainly because we're working on a moving platform and it's a bit windy, I've decided to put the brackets so they point outwards rather than inwards. That just makes life a lot easier for fastening them onto the hull or onto the peak. And now the details for the panels we've got. So we run a chaser line through, and now we're pulling back the power lines. Okay, go ahead. Yeah. Put that one up first. That way I've got.
Right. So is this the way it needs to go, that way round, or upside down?
Put them on that way. Well, no, not yet. No, this is the problem. This is got 2 problems. Right, you okay with that?
I can hold this. Right. As long as you don't do it much, I'm fine.
Okay, so a good morning's work. We've now got the solar panels fitted onto the front of the boat. All we now need is some sunlight to actually get them working. I think everything's connected correctly. We've just switched all the mains power off, so we'll see what happens, but the sun is very weak today. Maybe tomorrow would be a better test. And there we are, that's how they look. The power cables run in from the solar panels in through a drain hole there conveniently, and then on as we saw earlier, and that's the only interconnecting bit we've got.